Want a quick way to translate an entire web page in the Samsung Internet browser? It's really helpful when you visit sites in other languages and need to understand the content fast. In this video, I'll show you the easy steps to translate any web page using the Samsung Internet app. So let's get started. Open the Internet browser app on your Samsung phone. Visit the web page you want to translate. Next, tap the three-dot menu icon. Then tap Translate. After that, choose the language you want to translate the web page into. You can add new languages by tapping Add Language. Once you have chosen the desired language, tap Translate to start the translation process. And that's it. Translating a full web page in the Samsung Internet browser is super easy. Now you can read any website in your own language without any trouble. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.